measured, if I can say so, as a lawyer. So it's not that we are not there and we are not keeping a tab, or we are not constantly keeping communication on with the investigating agency. It's just that we are observing these silences so that nothing goes against the case, because as you would see, and as public at large would be able to appreciate, there are very mighty forces involved here, and things are not simple. And unfortunately, it is a very convoluted state of affairs. They are not only one particular entity that we are after or we are fighting against. It is all nexus, and if I can go as far as saying it's a system presently, system in terms of the way media works primarily, the way entertainment industry works, the way political system works, all this, and also the mafia. And we can never forget that till late 90s, Bollywood was at the hem of Dawood's business. And to believe that it's no more there to conduct its affair in the entertainment industry would be very naive on our part. So all I can say, I can hint at this very deep nexus right now, and we are up against them. And so to be able to say certain things, we have to think 10 times so that it's not used against the case, and it may not debilitate the very cause of justice. So we keep quiet, and in my informed opinion, we only do what should be done and not publicize it, so that it doesn't give others the chance to derail the justice system, derail the whole, going about. As you must have seen, media is very keen on doing right now. When I say media, I mean popular media. So that's why when we are not doing, it appears that we are not doing enough. Don't for a moment think that we are not. Every moment, at least every moment of my life now, I live with Sushant 24 by 7. So everything we are doing with the hope and with the mentation in mind, that how to go about it, कि कैसे क्या maximum result मिल सके. तो वो जो चुप्पियां हैं इधर उधर, वो बहुत सोची समझी हैं. इसको प्लीज मिस्टेक मत कीजिएगा, is what I can appeal to everyone. Thank you.
राइट प्रियंका, एज यू सेड एक्चुअली ये जो चुप्पी है नेचुरली अगर अगर सबसे ज्यादा आवाज किसी को उठानी, अगर सबसे ज्यादा तकलीफ किसी को है, जो मैं बार बार कहती भी हूँ कि अगर हम लोग क्या ही वो पेन को समझेंगे, somebody like so precious, so divine like Sushant, having him as your younger brother, raising him, growing up with him, and losing him like this, Priyanka, every living second, it breaks me. It breaks all of us. I don't even want to measure or imagine, the pain you all go through, and especially you. I mean, I've seen you. Initially, I had also spoken about it. I used to think you both are twins. You were like inseparables. Everything you would do together, like being an elder sister. Also, you were like a buddy to Sushant. So it was so beautiful, precious, and I have no words, to even understand or express the pain you must be going through. So, Pradeep ji, because you have to go, finally, I want to thank you for everything again from each one of us, from all the SSRians.
स्मिता जी, मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि जो प्रियंका जी ने बोला, मैं प्रियंका जी की दाद देना चाहता हूँ. और प्रियंका जी, मैं आपके साइलेंस को अप्रिशिएट करता हूँ. और सबसे बड़ी जो बात आपने कही, जो मैं आपसे कंप्लीटली सहमत हूँ, कि हम जिन शक्तियों से लड़ रहे हैं, वो शक्ति जो है इंटरनेशनल है, नेशनल, और ये बहुत बड़े बड़े लोग हैं सिस्टम के अंदर, जो पीछे से इस पूरे के पूरे षड्यंत्र को चाहते हैं कि सक्सेसफुल हो. मैं आपसे बस यही कहूंगा कि आप किसी भी समय ये मत सोचिएगा कि आप अकेले हैं. आपके साथ अगर 100 लोग अगर आपके खिलाफ, अगर अगेंस्ट हैं, तो आपके साथ 200 लोग आपके साथ रहेंगे. आप बस हिम्मत मत हारिएगा. हम ये लड़ाई को जीतेंगे, इस सच्चाई को जीतेंगे, और मैं आपके साथ लेटर इन स्पिरिट में, स्मिता जी तो है ही आपके साथ लेटर इन स्पिरिट में, मैं वो तो शी हैज बीन अ पायनियर इन लीडिंग इट, बट मैं अपनी इंडिविजुअल कैपेसिटी में, मेरी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन की कैपेसिटी में, टेलीविजन की कैपेसिटी में, जितनी मेरी कैपेसिटी उसमें मैं आपको ये आश्वासन देता हूं कि there is no commercial interest which will come over Sushant's justice. That much I can assure you. There will be no compromise, because this is a fight which I have also led through my heart. And I will tell you honestly, I have not been an avid follower of Sushant's films as an individual. But what connected me when I was doing this case, investigating this case, was the honesty of the man, the way, the heart, the innocence of the man, and the purity of the soul. And that is what has connected me to the entire case, and that is what I has connected me to the fight of justice. So you be strong. We are with you, is what I want to say.
Thank you so much. It's so heartening to hear it from a media person say something like that, because right now, to tell you the truth, I'm seeing how the whole media house is working towards this commercial gain. और एक्चुअली अगर देखिए तो ये फोर्थ पिलर है डेमोक्रेसी का, और इतनी ज़रूरत है इस पिलर की हमें इस वक्त। और आपका ये कहना बहुत बड़ी बात है, शुक्रिया, तहे दिल से शुक्रिया। और आपने जो शब्द यूज़ किए हैं, प्योर, ऑनेस्टी फॉर सुशांत, believe me, these are the words I use for him. And as soon as you use those words, I know he connected with you totally. Really, thank you.
Thank you so much,
Thank
Pradeep ji. I'll let you go now since you have to go. We will come back soon with you. So, Priyanka, coming back to you again,
Ji.
this 1 year naturally must have been, I am sure, the toughest period. We can't even find those words to describe it for you. But I'm
Yeah.
sure one thing must be very, very assuring and consoling for you, that the whole world, let it be Indians or the NRIs or the non-Indians, without boundaries and color and creed, people have been supporting this justice movement. So I would want, your valuable comments and statements for this.
In fact, today I'm with you all just for this reason, that I want to punctuate this feeling of us, the whole family, and especially me, that I can't put it in words how thankful I am. Not because that I can see people coming together for my brother, but also in that process, you all have healed us, without which probably I wouldn't have been speaking now. Because for the longest time, I was not able to process what was happening. I was almost gone, and my family members thought that even I may pass away with that. But only in middle of November onwards, I started collecting myself, and I collected myself, and then all I felt more is pain and sorrow. So it came back. When I could make sense of the things, what I could see around me was all pain and sorrow and complete disaster and helplessness and hopelessness. And how, but also to see the movement around my brother, and also to see people coming, people telling me, and others, they didn't even see much of his artistic work, so to say, but connected, as Pradeep ji just now put it, कि अगर उसको उतना आर्टिस्ट के तरह नहीं भी कनेक्ट किए थे, तो फिर भी बाद में एक इंसान के स्तर पे, एक उस लेवल पे, when they connected and they saw the innocence and the purity of that soul, they could they could feel the loss like we were doing. And to see that actually healed me. For the first time I realized, I knew that we all are connected, human beings are connected, no matter, jaise my brother used to say, my sweet brother used to say all the scientific things that we used to discuss. One of those were like butterfly effect. Butterfly effect is like even a butterfly flapping its wing may affect the whole environment, the whole climate at large over the globe. So that's how connected every life is. And as my brother is no more, I can't even put it together, as he's not there here with us on this planet, I can see all these things magically, making its presence felt, that how people are connected, how deeply he connected with people, that it was not just not a, you know, entertainer going away, but it was some part of humanity being snatched away from us. And from that level, people responded, and that healed us. Believe me. Thank you so much, all of you. I can't put it in words. The more I mean, whatever I say would not be enough. Really.
I
Yes,
totally
Shweta.
agree with you, Priyanka. What you very correctly said. Actually, सारे के सारे लोग, जिन्होंने सुशांत का काम देखा या नहीं देखा था, वो एक्चुअली उनके ह्यूमैनिटी वाला जो एस्पेक्ट था, या सी एक्टिंग was a part of Sushant, but Sushant has so many layers. My God, you have seen it much more than I have. But I have seen those layers also, when he would talk about his other passions, his dreams, and his eyes would just twinkle, and he had this, passionate smile. कि ये करना है, वो करना है.
Yeah.
And he would always be jumping around with energy. And then I realized कि ये बंदा तो कितना कुछ है, कितना कुछ. एक एक्टर में इतना कुछ नहीं होता, प्रियंका. We have seen the world. So acting
Right.
he did because it was one of his biggest dreams, and how he did it and how he achieved, in just a span of few years. And apart from it, his passion for the galaxy, his passion for education, his small detailing mesmerized each SSRian. People never loved
True.
physics before they came to know about Sushant's passion about physics. Imagine there are so many young students who are taking physics as one of their biggest passion now.
Oh, that touches my heart. Thank you. Thank you so much. What I can, mention here is that it'll be my way of telling what Sushant actually thought in his head. Uh, he began as a curious individual who wanted to satisfy a couple of his dreams, arrive in life, and after accomplishing various things would feel satisfied enough as an individual who would be respected in society, and as a result would also have happiness and contentment in his heart. And in this journey, when he began actualizing his dreams, or let me put it like when he actualized his dream of being part of the entertainment world, his curiosity began ever so much that from just being an individual seeking a very limited uh, goal, he became a seeker as a human being. Seeker, when I say, I emphasize this word, whereby a person, a human being, wants to know what is the purpose of being alive, what is the purpose of being a human being. So he became such a deep seeker that all such realms started unraveling in front of him. And naturally, as a result, being an entertainer and finishing his touches there, you know, developing his skill in that arena only, he started growing as a person, as an individual, as a human being, as a species. What do you say? A specimen of that this human species. And as a result, I could see phenomenal changes in him. He, when he was doing Byomkesh, the way he touched the deeper part of a human psyche as a part of his preparation, he started reading ever so more. And while reading, he touched philosophy. And he would, why I know about it, because he would come back and taunt me, saying that I thought that you are doing philosophy and you're wasting your life. But now, Sonadi, I realize, wow, this is a world. I touch it. And within no time, he was he knew most of the philosophers that I took years to, be familiar with. And then we started talking about that Schopenhauer, from Nietzsche, from, all those philosophers, to Vedic science, if I can put it, that Vedic philosophy. He became a philosopher, he became a true individual. And as he moved along, as he went deeper in himself, the causes, the reasons for his existence became wider and wider. So it was not limited to a very, what do you say, very specific dream of oneself being bigger and bigger, but that he realized that being oneself means involving others as well. And as a person he became so beautiful and open, and that is when I knew the art in him has flourished. The art in him has really taken hold. And if people would relate, and if people would remember, he used to talk about Maslow's theory. तो कहते हैं ना, बेसिक नीड्स हैं आपकी, आप उसको अकॉम्प्लिश करते हो, अगर आप ज्यादा ट्रूथफुल हो, ज्यादा ऑनेस्ट हो, तो आप आगे भी देख पाओगे, तो आप अपने सोशल नीड्स, अपने इर्द गिर्द, अपने फैमिली को भी के नीड्स को भी फुलफिल करते हो. Once you rise above that, then you feel the need of an artist, like, going in depth of various levels of human psyche, and above that is self actualization. So Sushant was on that trail, and I could see that beautiful flight that he took from just trying to be a good entertainer and achieving whatever he dreamt of कि अच्छा बॉलीवुड में जाऊंगा, फिल्म करूंगा, ये करूंगा. From there to here, oh wow. So all today I take this opportunity to tell people how he became what he became, because he was so true to his curiosity. He was an original person, original in the self sense that generally we follow whatever other trends put up by society for us. We follow that. But he was that original, unique person who thought for himself. He wanted to find out things for himself. And that is where the whole magic lies. So that is what he wanted to tell the world also. He, please look into yourself and explore and be yourself, and, go ahead and fly. So, yeah, this is what he did. He was a seeker, basically.
So
Seeker
beautifully you have
after truth.
expressed, actually. I'm sure so many SSRNs must be emotional and excited and more connected to you and Sushant through you, actually, because most of them wrote to me today, when I tweeted that we are going to do this live, and they were like, oh my god, like we can get a step closer to Sushant today through Priyanka Di. And seriously, I mean, you know this vacuum now, which he left naturally with his absence, is, felt so badly, miserably by all of us, that, it's like कितना कुछ हमें सीखना था. मैं खुद कितना सीखती थी. मैं मतलब सीधा लिसनर की तरह
Yeah.
बैठे रहती थी और उसकी बातें सुनती रहती थी और सोचती थी कहाँ से इतने छोटे बच्चे में ये कहाँ से आया. So what I want to ask you is, he was doing very well in engineering and suddenly he decided कि अब मुझे यहाँ नहीं यहाँ जाना है. So as a family, what was your reaction to that, naturally, because it was a drastic change of career?
See, one thing which was beautiful in my family was that my mother, very early on, was very determined to give us that one arsenal, or that one, what do we say it, crutch, through which we can be ourselves and be independent. So, and that was studies, that was education. So she made sure that all of us, uh, you know actually go on to become independent and explore our lives, for which we needed to, yeah, become independent, like what we say, materially. So once you're successful, you would be. So that was there. So Sushant, when he cleared engineering exam, and he got admitted to a very respectful college, he was free from any other obligation that he thought he might owe to anybody. And truly so. So once he did that, we were very satisfied. My father was, and my mother was gone by then. So still, everybody in my family, we were very happy that he can take care of himself. So when he started exploring the other part, when he joined Shamak, and when he was a good dancer to begin with, and with if I can share something interesting here, I'll tell you. that I was in college, Miranda House, and he was in school at 11th, 12th at that point of time when I was doing college. So on my guest nights and hostel nights, I used to invite him. He used to be my guest, my partner.
Just so
So yeah, and he would join us for the party, and all the women there, they would have their boyfriends, and there would be dance going on and very interesting things. And he would be like, "I know to dance." He used to like a very, he was a very good dancer in the sense that he used to copy Ritik Roshan's Coca-Cola's ad, that the steps that he used
yeah.
to do. He used to completely copy that. So he was that good a dancer. But he would come and he'd say that, how come I can't make sense of what is this disco dancing, in the sense that nightclub dancing, you have to teach me. I said, don't worry, you will get more girls if you go and rehearse in Shamak's classes. You will get all those moves. So that was between us. So like, okay. And that's how he joined Shamak Dawar. And then when he realized that what beauty it was, his inner artist started coming out, and then he slowly went and joined theaters as well, which was again very much part of my college going things, that he used to come and watch theaters. So he saw that angle of it, and he became very curious. So he started exploring it, and when he explored it, his he could feel the connect, and he came back, and he said that, oh boy, I think that I feel very elated there, because there are times when I forget myself, and the art takes over. And these are very, very profound words, if you can
Yeah.
appreciate it. So that's where I felt that he was very connected. So very coyly he said that, what if I start exploring, if I could do something in this arena. And it felt like, kya baat kar rahe ho? Dad and anybody, nobody would allow you to do that. Ye kaun sa, there is always this saying, kya nautanki karne ja rahe ho, chodo ye sab, be very
Right.
serious, as we were always like told to be. But then what happened? He was selected for this Commonwealth
Hmm.
performance that India had in Australia. And there he went, and when he came back, he announced that, don't worry, I'm not leaving engineering. Let me, for a couple of years, try my luck in this industry. Just let me explore how much far can I go. And if it doesn't materialize, if nothing materializes for a year or two, I can always come back and finish my engineering, because DU mein na 7 years ka
Right.
hota hai. Within 7 years you have to complete a course. So after 3 years, I guess he left. So my father, my eldest sister, believe me, he had a very smooth run there. We were like, okay, go. And so you can imagine, it was a supportive family in that sense, and it was open for people to explore what they wanted to. So he went there. Yeah.
Yeah, so basically, he kind of didn't, get it very tough to convince the family. And I have seen, like, most of his, the passion of book reading. If I, get on this, like, because you also share the same
Mm-hmm.
passion, you used to read books, and then you used to discuss with him, and then, I mean,
Yes.
it's a very rare bond, Priyanka, between a brother and a sister, that, this kind of intense conversation you would have with him for hours.
And yeah, that, yeah, you're right.
So we have Ujjwal Trivedi ji here with us, Priyanka, who's been, fighting for the justice since day one. We have Eric Cather also. I would like to invite Ujjwal ji to speak. Ujjwal ji, my, I mean, I wouldn't say it as a question, but I would want you, naturally, because, you have been there since day one. You have seen the movement, how it became such a big global movement. And
स्मिता जी,
जी
स्मिता जी, मैं सबसे पहले तो आपको शुक्रिया करता हूं कि आप प्रियंका जी को लेकर आई हैं, क्योंकि बहुत समय से इस बात की जरूरत थी। हालांकि मैं व्यक्तिगत तौर पर समझ रहा था कि परिवार के लिए सामने आने को लेकर बहुत सारी बातें हो सकती हैं, लेकिन बहुत सारे एसेसारियंस के लिए बहुत जरूरी था। तो प्रियंका जी, आपने बहुत अच्छा किया कि आप यहाँ आज आई हैं, आपको लोग सुन रहे हैं। मैं तो छोटी सी एक बात शेयर करूंगा, लोग आपको ज्यादा सुनना चाहेंगे। मैं जो अपना मेरा जुड़ाव कैसे हुआ, अगर आप पूछ रहे हैं, तो मैं आपको बताता हूं।
प्लीज।
13 जून की बात है, मेरे पास मेरे एक पुराने एक्टर मित्र हैं, उनका फोन आता है, जो मुझे कभी फोन नहीं करते, मतलब जो बहुत सालों में एक आध बार फोन करते हैं। उनका मुझे फोन आया कि उज्जवल, मुझे सुशांत का नंबर चाहिए। एंड आई स्टिल हैव दैट। पहले उन्होंने मुझे मैसेज किया था, फिर उन्होंने मुझे कॉल भी किया कि मुझे सुशांत का नंबर चाहिए। तो मैंने उनको रिप्लाई, अच्छा मेरी सुशांत से 2 ही मुलाकातें हुई थी। एक तो शायद केदारनाथ के प्रमोशन के नहीं, सोन चिड़िया के दौरान हुई थी, और
अच्छा।
एक हुई थी, एक और फिल्म के प्रमोशन पे हुई थी। तो 2 फिल्मों के प्रमोशन पे मैं उनसे मिला था, बड़ी ब्रीफ सी मुलाकातें थी, हम लोग शूट करते थे। तो मैंने कहा मैं 2 ही बार मिला हूं, उनका नंबर है तो, पर शायद चेंज हो गया। तो मैंने कहा मैं आपको कल देता हूं या शाम तक देता हूं। अब ये बात है 13 जून की। अब मैं आपको बता रहा हूं मैं कैसा फील कर रहा हूं, ये मैं ही समझ सकता हूं। 13 जून की बात है ये। 14 जून को मैं लंच कर रहा था और उनका फिर से फोन आ रहा था। पवन महेंद्रू जी नाम है उनका। तो अरे मैंने कहा पवन जी
ओके।
फिर फोन कर रहे हैं, मैं नंबर निकाल नहीं पाया क्योंकि मैं अपने किसी जर्नलिस्ट फ्रेंड से बात नहीं कर पाया था। तो मैंने कहा मैंने उनको फोन उठाते बोला, मैंने कहा पवन जी देता हूं, मैं कल तक देता हूं, मैं नहीं निकाल पाया हूं। एंड ही वॉज
ओह
क्राइंग ऑन
माय
द अदर
गॉड।
साइड, उज्जवल टीवी खोल। मैंने कहा क्या हो गया, मैं कल तक देता हूं। मैं समझ ही नहीं पा रहा था कि वो मुझे बता क्या रहे हैं। तो उन्होंने कहा तू टीवी खोल अभी। मैंने कहा क्या हो गया, न्यूज देख। और
ओह माय।
उसके बाद प्रियंका जी, मैं आपको बता नहीं सकता कि मुझे क्या लगा। मैं मतलब मेरे हाथ पैर एकदम सुन्न थे, क्योंकि मैं तो ये सोच रहा था कि मैं किसी से नंबर लेकर अब पवन जी को दूंगा। पवन जी उनके साथ काम कर चुके थे पवित्र रिश्ता में। तो बोले मेरी बहुत दिनों से मुलाकात
अच्छा।
नहीं हुई है, तुम तो मिलते रहते हो फिल्म प्रमोशन पे, तो तुम्हारे पास रीसेंट नंबर होगा। मैंने कहा नहीं, मेरे पास रीसेंट वाला नहीं है, उससे पहले वाला है। अब हुआ ये कि मैं तो मतलब एकदम, मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा था मैं क्या देख रहा हूं, ये क्या हो रहा है। उसके बाद मैंने
आई
इमीडिएटली
नो।
उनको फोन किया। अच्छा मैं आपको सच बता रहा हूं, यूट्यूब चैनल मेरा था बहुत दिनों से, लेकिन मैं उसको एज अ वीडियो डंप यूज करता था, बिकॉज आई वाज वर्किंग विद डिफरेंट न्यूज चैनल्स। तो मुझे अलाउ नहीं था कि मैं अपना अलग से यूट्यूब चैनल रखूं। मैंने एक एज अ वीडियो डंप रखा हुआ था कि मेरे जो वीडियोज हैं मैं उस पर डंप कर देता था। तो मैंने कहा चलिए
जी।
मैं आपका एक इंटरव्यू करूंगा, क्योंकि ये तो बहुत अलग सी बात है कि आपको कल उनका ख्याल आता है, आप मुझे फोन करते हो, और फिर आज ये। तो मैंने उनका इंटरव्यू किया, उसमें काफी ऑब्वियसली वो बहुत इमोशनल हो रहे थे, मैं भी बहुत इमोशनल हो रहा था। उसके बाद कुछ लोगों ने जानना चाहा कि ये क्या हुआ है, क्यों हुआ है। तो मुझे कहीं ना कहीं से मैसेजेस जो आने शुरू हुए, वो इस तरह के थे लोगों के कि आप बताइए इस केस में क्या हुआ, क्या हुआ। तो मुझे लगा कि अच्छा, क्योंकि बीइंग अ जर्नलिस्ट हम लोग हमेशा चेक करते हैं भाई अखबारों में क्या आ रहा है, चैनल्स में क्या आ रहा है, एजेंसी। तो मुझे लगा कि कहीं कुछ कमी सी है, कुछ है जो नहीं बताया जा रहा है। और वो सोचते हुए मैंने
ओके।
शुरू किया कि चलो मेरे पास प्लेटफॉर्म है, एंड मेरे पास वक्त भी है क्योंकि लॉकडाउन है, घर पर हूं। तो मैंने कहा चलो मैं इस बारे में बात करता हूं कि एक जर्नलिस्ट के तौर पर मैं इतना तो कर ही सकता हूं। फिर मैंने अपने स्तर से चीजें जाननी शुरू की। फिर उसी सिलसिले में मैं स्मिता जी को भी टच में आया और बहुत सारे लोगों के संपर्क में आया, और फिर मैंने जानने की कोशिश की। और मुझे आज भी जब मैं आपसे बात कर रहा हूं तो मुझे वो 13 जून याद आती है कि क्यों नहीं उस वक्त मैंने कोशिश की। मतलब मैंने उसको बहुत कैजुअली लिया, मैंने कहा हाँ ठीक है, रिसेंट नंबर देख कर देता हूं। और किसी को भी नहीं पता था कि ये क्या होने वाला है। मतलब आप सोच सकते हैं कि मतलब
मैं समझ रही हूँ।
मैंने कहा हाँ ठीक है देता हूं। फिर अगले दिन मुझे फोन आ रहा है, मैंने कहा हाँ देता हूं, नहीं निकाल पाया, लेता हूं। मतलब आज भी जब मैं सोचता हूं, मुझे नहीं पता क्या कनेक्शन था, क्या था। मेरी तो उनसे 2 मुलाकातें हुई थी। उन 2 मुलाकातों में एक
जी।
बात मुझे याद आती है, जो आखिरी मुलाकात थी, उस दिन जन्माष्टमी थी और इट वाज सितंबर 2019। वो अपनी फिल्म का प्रमोशन कर रहे थे, और हम लोगों को
जी।
एक शूट करना था उनके साथ, जिसमें उन्हें कुछ ड्रिंक करना था। मतलब हमने उन्हें कुछ सॉफ्ट ड्रिंक या ऐसा कुछ दिया था, ऐसा कुछ एक हमने गेम बनाया हुआ था। तो उन्होंने मुझे बोला कि मैं ड्रिंक नहीं करूंगा कुछ भी। तो मैंने कहा कि क्या मतलब, आपको जो चाहिए वो लाके दे देते हैं, नींबू पानी ऐसा कुछ। बोले नहीं, मेरा व्रत है। और मैं एकदम रुक गया।
हाँ
मैंने
जी।
मैंने कम से कम 18-20 साल से मैंने बॉलीवुड जर्नलिज्म किया है, एंड आई वाज लाइक कि बॉलीवुड
हाँ
फिल्म
जी।
का हीरो जन्माष्टमी का व्रत रखता है। मतलब मेरे को एकदम से विश्वास नहीं हुआ कि मतलब ऐसा कैसा
आई कैन
जन्माष्टमी का
रिलेट
व्रत
टू
है।
दैट।
तो मैंने कहा मैंने एक लुक दिया जो मेरा प्रोडक्शन वाला था। मैंने कहा यार अभी अच्छा, मैंने कहा ठीक है। तो फिर ये हुआ कि हम आपके सामने खाली ग्लास रखेंगे, आपको सिप करने की एक्टिंग करनी है। तो ये एक इंट्रोडक्शन था। फिर उसी दिन की मुझे एक बात याद आती है कि हमारा शूटिंग में ब्रेक हो रहा था, और हम लोग सन एंड सैंड जुहू में शूट कर रहे थे। तो जैसे ही ब्रेक होता था तो सब लोग इधर उधर चले जाते थे। उन्होंने अपनी एक चेयर पड़वाई हुई थी, बिल्कुल सी फेस करके, और एकदम कॉर्नर में अकेले, और वो वहां जाकर बैठ गए। फिर वहां से निकले तो कुछ बच्चे बच्चे आ गए थे, उनके साथ पिक्चर्स क्लिक कर रहे थे। तो मुझे ये भी बहुत हैरानी हुई। नॉर्मली क्या होता है शूटिंग के टाइम ना, ये जितने भी सेलिब्रिटीज होते हैं वो मतलब लोगों से घिरे रहते हैं या फिर वो लोगों के बीच में चले जाते हैं, क्योंकि काफी लोग आसपास थे। पर उन्होंने अपने लिए एक कोना चुना, शांत, वहां बैठे थोड़ी देर। तो मैं देख रहा था, मैंने कहा ये थोड़ा अलग है, मतलब क्योंकि ऐसा और कोई नहीं होता कि एक तो पहले तो मुझे इस बात पर यकीन नहीं हो रहा था कि जन्माष्टमी का व्रत है। मतलब एक्चुअली उन्होंने ही मुझे रिमाइंड कराया कि जन्माष्टमी भी है, क्योंकि हम लोग जिस तरह के माहौल में रहते हैं हमें कई बार नहीं याद होता कि मतलब कि अच्छा ये फेस्टिवल है, क्योंकि शूट वूट में नहीं पता लगता है आपको। तो एक बहुत अलग तरह की पर्सनैलिटी थी। और फिर इस पूरी जर्नी में मैंने ये महसूस किया कि कहीं ना कहीं कोई एक कनेक्शन जरूर है। जिस तरह से चीजें सामने आती गई और मैंने बात करना शुरू किया, जो लोगों का रिस्पॉन्स था, मुझे लगा कि मैं अपनी ड्यूटी बहुत ईमानदारी के साथ निभा रहा हूं, जो कि मुझे करना चाहिए। और वो मुझे आज भी लगता है उनके लिए। तो मुझे लगता है कहीं ना कहीं कुछ एक उनकी जो सोल है वो इतनी प्योर सोल थी, क्या कनेक्शन था मुझे नहीं पता। वो फोन आना वो इस तरह से, और मतलब आप यकीन नहीं करेंगे कि पवन महेंद्र जी से मैंने पिछली बार शायद 2-4 साल पहले बात की होगी, और उसके बाद भी शायद कब बात हुई है पता नहीं। तो कुछ कनेक्शन है, क्या है मुझे नहीं पता, बट मैं अपने मिशन में लगा हूं, मैं आपके साथ हूं। और मुझे शायद ये कहने और बताने की भी जरूरत नहीं है, क्योंकि आप समझ ही चुके होंगे कि मैं इस मिशन में पहले दिन से लगा हूं और आगे भी लगा रहूंगा।
थैंक यू सो मच उज्जवल जी। ये तो मुझे भी पता नहीं था। आपने ये जो बात बताई अबाउट शूटिंग,
जी जी जी
सुशांत
जी।
इज वेरी वेरी प्रेशियस एक्चुअली। आई थिंक वी हैव लॉस्ट प्रियंका। आई जस्ट इनवाइट
हम्म।
हर।
मुझे याद है वो छिछोरे फिल्म का प्रमोशन था, जिस पर जन्माष्टमी का व्रत था उनका।
ओह अच्छा, तो
हाँ,
ये
और
20
उससे, हाँ उससे,
2019 की
हाँ
बात है।
सितंबर, हाँ सितंबर 19 की बात है। उससे पहले जो मेरी मुलाकात हुई थी वो हुई थी सोन चिरैया के प्रमोशन पर।
राइट राइट।
सोन
सो
चिरैया के प्रमोशन में मुलाकात हुई थी। हाँ, तो
तो
दो
अच्छा।
मुलाकातें ही मेरी हुई हैं उनसे, और उसके अलावा कभी कोई मुलाकात नहीं हुई। मतलब पता नहीं क्या कनेक्शन है, मुझे सच में अभी भी लगता है कि कुछ तो कनेक्शन है, क्या है वो नहीं पता।
आई नो दैट्स व्हाट वी ऑल फील आई गेस। और उसके
हाँ
बाद आपने मतलब दिन रात एक किए कॉन्स्टेंटली
हाँ, मुझे ये लगा कि ये इस मामले पे कोई क्यों बात नहीं कर रहा है, ये तो होना चाहिए। तो मुझे धुन सवार हो गई कि नहीं, मुझे करना है ये।
राइट राइट राइट। So we have Ere Cather also. Meanwhile, जब तक प्रियंका ज्वाइन करती है, Ere most welcome to this evening. आप भी बहुत वोकल हो, बहुत लड़ रहे हो, और कभी कभी मुझे आपके बहुत कंसर्न हो जाती है जिस तरह की इश्यूज आप एक्सपोज करते हो. So how is your journey and what is your connect with Sushant? Though I mean I have known this, but I would want you to speak about it today. Meanwhile, I'll connect with Priyanka again.
No, it's like what Priyanka Didi has said. This healing, the inner energy. The only definition that I can give to him is he is one enlightened perfectionist. One enlightened artist, which is very rare. There's still no one like him. You know, so and the healing energy. That the energy that comes from him is this healing. That healing is our awakening. And the only thing I can tell her is this awakening has spread everywhere. So much it has spread everywhere, and there are so many awakened minds. Now nothing can stop the justice from coming.
I want to thank Ujjwal ji first. You won't believe, Ujjwal ji. I mean, of course, because I wasn't keeping well, so till November, I used to be hiding in a room, and anything which was distantly connected with this issue, my body and mind couldn't take it. And believe me, I'm not the kind of person who would respond to things like this. I have been a fighter in my own right all my life, but this was a very new reaction from my being, and I was just I was flowing with that. So till November, I remember people would want to tell me certain details, ki aisa hua, waisa hua, but everything in me would cringe, and which people say in their own words ki theek hai, the loss, the sorrow has taken hold of me so much that I can't respond normally in life. So I couldn't hear anything, couldn't see anything, and even a mention of the case would give me palpitation and deep, deep sorrow and anxiety. So only after that, when I could muster the courage to be normal and coming to terms with whatever has happened, I started keeping little tab of whatever was happening around. And in the noise of all of it, somewhere I heard your voice as well. And YouTube, of course, is a very distant thing for me to reach out to for knowing what is happening in the case. But somehow, as you have shared the connection, not like making an opinion of one side or the other. So I
Yes.
मैंने आपको हमेशा बहुत सुलझा हुआ पाया. So that was my connect. So in the noise of it all, I, for some reason, I could connect with whatever you said in couple of videos that I saw you. So thank you so much for being this.
Thank you.
I mean, all I love is the genuineness in the people, and thank you, my brother. Though unfortunately in this scenario, he has opened up a window for me to realize how we all are connected, and it's very, very magical. It's surprising to find that, yeah, in so many unknown ways and unsaid words, we still can connect with each other. And I connected with you, Ujwalji. Thank you so much. Thank you very, very much.
थैंक यू प्रियंका जी, थैंक यू। बस मुझे आपको एक ही बात कहनी है कि आपकी इस जंग में मैं खड़ा हूं आपके साथ। जो भी है, जैसा भी है, जिस भी स्थिति में हूं, जो भी मेरी सीमाएं हैं, उसमें मैं आपके साथ हूं। मैं यही कह सकता हूं, इससे ज्यादा मुझे नहीं लगता कि मुझे इससे ज्यादा कुछ कहने की जरूरत है। आप
नहीं, नहीं,
सभी
बिल्कुल
जानते हैं कि मैं हूं और हमेशा हूं।
और मैं ये भी बताना चाहती हूँ प्रियंका, उज्जवल जी ग्राउंड प्रोटेस्ट पे भी आए हैं मेरे साथ, कोलकाता, हैदराबाद, जहाँ पर भी ये एंड इवन माउंट ब्लैंक के बाहर जब भी हमने कैंडल लाइट्स किए हैं, ही इज ऑलवेज बिन देयर. So he's always there, his voice is there, his presence has always been there in all his capabilities. Really, really, even I want to thank you and take this opportunity from bottom of my heart for standing with us, for standing with Sushant and his family.
स्मिता जी, मेरा फर्ज है और मैं अपना फर्ज समझकर कर रहा हूं और मैं हमेशा करता रहूंगा।
इसी बात को सल्यूट करते हैं कि अगर हम किसी और के लिए नहीं बट अपने आप के ऑनेस्टी के लिए अगर कुछ करें तो उसकी ब्यूटी ही कुछ और होती है, एंड दैट आई
बिल्कुल,
कैन सी.
बिल्कुल।
Thank you. And Are,
थैंक
I coming back to you very recently now that I have become little operational on Twitter. I've come across your posts, and again, a very clear mind and a very, very positive heart. I've seen, I've felt. So, really, brother, I don't know. You would also not know how we are placed, what we look like, but there's this connect, and this is really, really beautifully bizarre for me. So I connected with you as well. Thank you so much. And I've also got to know the story. I knew this story earlier on. Somebody, my sister told me and shared with me. And now when I saw your post and with Smita, I could say that who is this person? Sounds very sorted and all. And then I could connect both the stories that this is the same person I knew about. So hats off to you. And believe me, yeah, Sushant, though is not on this planet, may not be in the physical form, but the energy has connected the like-minded people, and for which I'm very thankful to all of you and to him.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you for the kind words. It's just his energy, you know. It took me 6 years to talk about it. I was, like you mentioned, this lapses, the memory lapses, you go into anxiety and everything. But now I'm not going to stop. That's what I can tell you. Now I'm never going to stop. And this is the only mission for me. Not more than a mission, just the goal. And you're not alone, no matter what, you
Here,
know.
I can only say nature has always, time and again, chose one or the other soul to express its beauty through it, and those who allow it, of course. And when I say allow, means that when we let go our prejudices, when we let go our stereotypical mindsets, we can see a lot more. And through why? Because Sushant was exploring, he was a scientist in true self, because he was experimenting with himself. हमारे वेदास में भी तो यही कहा गया है कि अंदर जाके देखो, मतलब कहने की बात यही है कि अपने साइकी को आप आराम से, अगर बहुत ही रुचि से अगर उसकी तरफ आप अगर एक मत होके देखते हो, तो आपको अपनी गहराइयों से चीजें निकलती हुई नजर आएंगी, एंड देन यू कैन choose and see where not everybody is born right or wrong. These are patterns that we are tempted to follow because of our conditioning, because of the societal pressure, because of our genetics. We are in some pattern, but if we become aware, we are able to see it. So Sushant was the kind who was a scientist in the sense that who was able to see कि अच्छा मैं ऐसे behave करता हूँ तो क्यों करता हूँ. अच्छा, human beings behave like that. We have these emotions. Why do we have these emotions? Basic में आया, insecurity is the thing. Our survival instinct is in place, for which we need roti, kapda or makan, which is like the basics. After which, whatever we have made as a what do you say, a palpable need, are not actually the needs, which these are created needs, and he understood it. So he got in under that knowing of the psyche, and exploring himself. So as a scientist, he opened the doorway for things to come out of him, and somehow that energy, that nature is still working, perhaps through all of us, those
Yeah.
who are honest to at least explore what is there, are somehow connected through this very painful phenomena. I cry when I have to say that this was the costs that came with it. But yeah, something in a miraculous way has been given way after that. I wish he was here. I can't imagine speaking all these things where I'm not able to go back and share it with him, because anything which would happen at this level was the first clue or first trigger for me to call him, or for him to call me. And of course also my husband, my partner Siddharth, we three used to be like, अगर हमें जिंदगी में बहुत ही परेशानियां और बहुत ही what do we say, you know, when you come across life and it is tough, and when you're sensitive, you see ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है, why this, why that, and you go through it. But when you come back, you discuss it. भाई ये हुआ, वो हुआ, why do we, and those were such enlightening discussions that we used to have. And now all this happening, and I'm not able to go back and find his bite on this. It's the most tragic of all. Believe me, I've heard. I am also, I also am a patron of art and everything. So I read a lot, and with him, and with him going into Bollywood, so story also, cinema also. Through that, I've gone through so many stories, and they were painful. And vicariously, we also go through those pain, and we feel it, and we feel, oh my God, it was so painful, yet so sweet a thing which I could relate to. But never in my life I have come across a story this beautiful and this tragic. My brother's going away is the most tragic story. I mean, I'm telling you objectively, it's the most tragic turn of events I have come across. Not only because I'm part of it, but also I've never seen loss of such potential, such a tragic way. For some, for people's greed, no, I've not.
You're not alone. I mean, we are all with you always.
That's perhaps is the only thing, I would say, which has brought me today itself. In the morning I was thinking that, oh my God, every now and then this bout of sorrow, and I don't want to move one part of mine, one finger of mine. But today something came to me. I said, no, I know this is very deep, this is very painful, but this cannot be my weakness. My brother can never be my weakness. He has to be my strength.
Exactly.
And that's why I thought today that I will m- make connect with similar minded, similar hearted people, and maybe this movement will go further ahead. Maybe this is what nature wants. So with this
Exactly.
intention, I came today.
Yeah,
Thank you
he's the
all.
strength. He's the
Yes.
strength. We always have to focus on the strength. And
I want to, if I could hug you, Priyanka, I really want to give you a tight hug. And I
Thank you,
keep
Smita.
saying this all the time, no matter what, I'm standing tall in front of you between every evil thing which comes, your way and Sushant's way still. And I always will be there, no
Thank you
matter
all.
what, no matter what. It's my promise, it really, really. I mean, I have no words to express, this tragic thing. Every single day, when I see his videos and pictures, and it's like, why him? Why him? And that pain, in some way pushes me to again fight. No, this can't happen. But yes, it has happened, and we all are going through this. And trust me, all the people who could not connect with Sushant, who could not understand, why we are so insanely, madly involved into this justice fight, I have disconnected with them totally. I have, SSRN is only my friend. One of my friend is here, and I wanted you to speak to her today. We have Shilpa from California, USA, America. She has been one of the strongest voices. She has not left this war for even a day, for an hour. And yeah, I know, Shilpa. It's tough for all of us, but I wanted you to give the strength you have to Priyanka today. We all have gathered here to assure them, to assure the family that no matter what, we all are standing tall with them. Nothing can break us, no matter what. Shilpa, over to you.
या थैंक यू स्मिता एंड प्रियंका. आपकी चुप्पी भी हमको मंजूर था एंड बट thank you so much. You came back and now you're here today and लाखों लोग आज आपको सुन रहे हैं. So you know all I want to say is we are always there with the family no matter what a lot of people are saying.
Thank you,
I'm
Shilpa.
sorry I can't talk.
I'm so sorry that I knew that I may not be prepared to hold it
no,
right
no,
now.
you
So
don't need to be
sorry.
sorry.
No,
It's
Priyanka, it's all. I'm sure everybody feels the pain, in every bit of the day, and that's what keeps us strong together. You must be seeing since few days we've been fighting with what kind of evil elements as well. But as far as the SSRN army is always with me. They always wonder that how am I going since a year? But trust me, their love and their faith and their support keeps me going, and I'm sure you must be also feeling the same way, the way they pour their love and support each and every single day. They come like shields when we are attacked. They protect us, they defend us. It's amazing.
Believe me, if I can say something, there are so many things which I'm screaming inside my whole body to speak out, but I can't because of some, let's say, legal compulsions, right?
Yeah,
But finding those voices coming from other end, from person that I have never seen, but I just see somebody and writing things which I wanted to say, something in my heart just thanks the person and thanks this whole energy that okay, I wanted to say it, oh, somebody said it, oh yes, this is actually SSR's extended family in
yeah,
that much. Even
true.
today somebody wrote something very beautiful which I have been wanting to say ki SSR, as in he was just coming in his elements. Abhi tak to as an individual he had explored his capabilities as an entertainer, as an actor, or as a person. Like, कहते हैं कि nature tries to perfect the species, and as soon as the species is perfected, there is evolution to a next species, and that is what has been the story of evolution all along. So even human species are trying to perfect itself. Like the love that we talk about is okay, I won't go in depth of it, but what it means is like all of us are connected, and for all of us to realize that. So Sushant touched it somewhere, so he was going that ways. And even when he's not, so to say, in physical form, that energy is operating and it is working through us. It is working through every person. If what I'm not able to say, somebody else is saying. So today somebody said that this potential was half realized and he was only flowering out, and he would have made history in the sense we would never know what capability was there through him, that this species could have expressed for the emancipation of the species itself. I don't know if I make sense, but it means that, through one or the other individual, certain extra measures are taken which takes the whole energy of that particular species upward. So that is lost forever. Sushant, through Sushant, it was possible, but it is lost. And the person wrote that he was inspired and was inspiring. And these are the words I wanted to say, but couldn't find the right time or avenue to put it across. And somebody said it. So yes, all of us are working as a collective, as a single organism, if I could say, and things are coming out, and I'm thankful for that
How
energy.
magically things are coming out, actually, I don't think so history में ऐसा कभी हुआ होगा प्रियंका,
No,
कि
no.
जिन लोगों ने सप्रेस किया, जिन लोगों ने चाहा कि ये जस्टिस मूवमेंट शुरू में ही बंद हो जाए, लोग आवाज नहीं उठाए, दोस पीपल basically realized कि गलत कर दिया. I hope they realize it more and they accept, people who are aware of the fact, they come out and they speak up. I've been like pleading and begging कि अगर आपको कुछ भी पता है तो प्लीज आगे आकर बोलो, क्योंकि
स्मिता जी, इस मूवमेंट का कभी कोई फेस नहीं रहा, और
जी
यही इसकी वो बात है जिस वजह से ये मूवमेंट कभी मरा नहीं, कभी रुका नहीं, क्योंकि
Very
कोई
well.
एक इसका चेहरा नहीं था। हम सब इसका हिस्सा थे, और हम सब हिस्सा होकर एक पूरे जोश से बढ़ रहे थे, आज भी बढ़ रहे हैं, क्योंकि कोई एक नहीं है, यहाँ सब हैं और एक साथ हैं। और यही वो बात है जो इस मूवमेंट को जिंदा रखे हुए है, और ये हम जस्टिस लेकर ही रहेंगे, क्योंकि यहाँ पर कोई बंटवारा नहीं होने वाला है किसी का।
राइट.
कोई एक फेस नहीं है, दो फेस नहीं है, हम सब हैं और बराबरी से खड़े हैं, एक साथ खड़े हैं।
Yes, it's not going to feed somebody's ego, so it's not going to be sacrificed on that altar of that ego. Very well said, Julji, very well.
True, true. And Priyanka, I'm sure each one who's listening to you today wants to say hi to you, wants to express their emotions and love. On behalf of them, today I'm doing it, but I'm sure we'll have opportunities later, because today is your first day. You have come out and spoken. I have got a message from Varun Kapoor also, and he really wanted to join, but he couldn't. Who's been
Okay.
running this YouTube channel in California itself, and he stays very close to Shweta. Shilpa is aware of him, so he has sent you a lot of strength and courage, and he has asked you that is there anything which we can add on, and is there anything which we can do further to support the justice movement and the cause.
We have to stay united, is what I'll say to Varun. Thank you, first of all, to Varun, as well as Shilpa. Shilpa, I really wanted to thank you. I couldn't express it in enough words. I also connected with your post a lot, and I can see the love come through. So, of course, we may not have seen each other ever, but I connect with your energy. Thank you so much. And coming back to Varun and his question, all I want to say is that let's be united. There would be certain things. Definitely trying to stop us from this going ahead, but let's not pay attention to what do you say, verbal semantic discourses which may mislead us. They are no good. People want to be toxic, they may be. Let's not pay attention to that. What matters is that we be steadfast in this. And secondly, that so far, because of the whole thing, that investigation that is on, we are collaborating and cooperating with the agency. And also everybody must be aware of the other case that is there, because of certain people trying to come out with a couple of movies and trying to use it as a ploy and a platform to disseminate misinformation about the case. So I'm very much caught up with that. But after which I'm trying to say is that let's get together and let us allow Sushant to live through us by partaking in the dreams that he had enlisted. And very soon I'll be coming out with something, a platform through which we would want to do whatever good that he wanted to do to society, through AI, through education, through space exploration, or through awakening that curiosity in human beings from the very early on. So yeah, I really think that I would want my brother to live through that. So let's get together to do that. I want your blessing, I want your help, I want you all to again come together, that as a one unit, to make it happen. So yeah, that's what I want to say.
Thank you so much, Priyanka. Thank you so much for being here. I mean, you have no idea what it means for me, what it means for all of us. I'm sure there is a different kind of energy and positivity and strength today we all are feeling. I would want you all to express how you felt about it through your tweets and posts. I'm so sorry I could not take any of you for this particular space, but I promise you will come back soon where we can interact more. But for today, I think this was a very, very beautiful and much needed session. Thank you, Ujwalji. Thank you, Ere. Thank you, Shilpa. Thank you, everyone.
Thank
And
you.
a warm hug to you, Priyanka. And we are all there for you.
Thank you, Smita, for having me here. Two words, two things that I would want to say before going away. First is that let's not forget that there would be forces which would want to, um, you know,
Derail the movement.
derail and
Yeah.
actually make it crumble down the whole
Right.
movement, right?
Yeah.
Let's not give in to that forces at all.
Yeah.
There are so many things which so many people must be wanting to ask me about, the facts and circumstances of the case. Believe me, each one of you, believe me, I am more eager and I'm more dying to cry it aloud than you may want to hear it. I'm more desperate to talk it out, but believe me, the situation demands that we have a gracious silence on it so that the investigation goes in the right direction. And secondly, before I part, I just want to say something which my brother quoted many times from Richard Bach, which is for all of us. I just want to remember him again through his words that he said, um, don't believe what your eyes are telling you. All they show is limitation.
Wow.
Look with your understanding, find out what you already know, and you will see the way to fly. This is from Sushant. He quoted Richard Bach many times with these words, and this is for us. Thank you all. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank
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 you.
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 Thank
Thank
you.
you so much.
Thank you.